Okay, I will make a demo on how to put fund, okay, in our exchanger FMC. So all we need to do is click the deposit and USDT, choose TRC20, then copy the link. Now we will buy USDT from Binance. No, this is the exchanger that I use to buy USDT. So now I will go to P2P. Okay, this is a P2P and buy USDT. Okay, buy USDT. So I use BPI payment. Then choose the time, 15 minutes. Okay, then choose merchant, okay, to buy USDT. So I will choose this one is 58.73. So this one is 58.73. Okay, so 10,000 to 332 pesos. Okay, so I will try this Mygo Crypto. So choose buy, then put the amount, okay, or crypto. So I need to buy 700 or let's say 1,000 USDT amounting to 58,730. Okay, so I will buy 1,000 USDT. So this is the amount that I need to pay. So place order. Then I will chat the merchant. Okay. So order created, please complete the payment and make the orders as paid in time, on the other will be cancelled. Okay, so I will message him that please send me a payment details. So view payment details. Okay, BPI. So this is the account. Then I will go to my BPI account. Okay, log in. Then transfer to another BPI. Okay, so transfer to account number. So this is the BPI. So the amount is 58,730. Okay, so continue. Then 58,730. Then continue. Then pay. Okay, confirm the payment. Okay, so this confirm. Okay, successful. So I will copy the transaction, the screenshot, and send to, before I send, I will notify the seller, okay, that I already paid. Then go to the chat box and send. Okay, I will send the screenshot of my payment to release the crypto. Okay, so confirm. Okay, so I will wait. Miguel Martin. So 81823, right? So 8123. So I will wait for the crypto to send it in my wallet. Okay, so waiting for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so for now, while waiting, okay, so I already sent the USDT. Okay, so rating. Okay, good price. Comment. Then now I will check the USDT in my wallet. Okay, so back, then go to my funding. Okay, this is the 1000 USDT that I purchased. Now I will withdraw this, okay, going to my FMC exchanger. So I will deposit to FMC, then I will go to FMC again. Okay, this is the wallet address, copy, then put the wallet address here, then select network TRC20, then max, okay, 1000 US dollar. So the charge is $1, so I will receive 999 USDT. So withdraw, then confirm. Okay, confirm. Okay, then boom. Okay, successful withdrawal. So I will check to my exchanger if I receive the $1000 USDT. Okay, so we will wait for another 2 minutes. So let's check. Okay, nothing. So let's wait. Okay, now, so yes, this is it. Your deposit of 999 USDT is now available in your exchanger. So let's check in the wallet. Okay, USDT. Now I have 999.47 USDT. So now I will buy the Pine to activate the account. So I will go to the trade, okay, trading platform, and buy the amount is 999 USDT. Okay, so I will buy 1937 Pine. Okay, so choose the seller. Okay, this is the seller. Then okay, put the 999 amount, then click buy. So the airdrops. Okay, click buy, then boom. So I created the successful transaction. So I will check now, my Pine is 7,218. So this is the process of funding USDT to FMC exchanger and buying Pine to our exchanger.